Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the Norma Basalis. So I will discuss the Norma Basalis in my 3 videos. So I request you to kindly like it, share it and subscribe it. Now first I will discuss the anterior part of the Norma Basalis. Now this anterior part of the Norma Basalis is formed by the hard palate. So what are the bones which are forming the hard palate? So these are the palatine processes of the maxilla of both the sides separated by intermaxillary suture, and posteriorly these are the horizontal plates of palatine bone separated by interpalatine suture, and between this maxillary processes and palatine processes this suture is known as palato-maxillary suture. So this cruciform suture is there which separate this portion into 4 parts. Now at the anterior end of this intermaxillary suture you can see this incisive fossa. In this incisive fossa the incisive foramens they are present, and posteriorly where the arched portion is present, it is a dome shaped structure where the arc is present. So lateral end of this arc is leading to this foramen, that is the greater palatine foramen. Now behind this greater palatine foramen small 2-3 foramina are there which are known as lesser palatine foramina. Now the posterior edge of this hard palate is formed by the palatine crest, which is just starting in front of this greater palatine foramen and going medially, reaching up to this bony projection which is known as the posterior nasal spine. Now coming to the different structures which are passing through these different foramina which are visible in Norma Basalis. In this incisive, through this incisive foramen, the branches from that is greater palatine vessels, the terminal branches of that, they pass through this incisive foramen to the nasal cavity, and from the nose the terminal branches of the nasopalatine nerve they come to the hard palate portion. Now through this greater palatine foramen the greater palatine nerve and vessels they passes, and through these small lesser palatine foramina the lesser palatine nerves and vessels they pass. So this is all about the anterior portion of it, and the margin of this hard palate is bounded by the alveolar sockets bearing the sockets for teeth. So this is the alveolar process of the maxilla. So this is all about the anterior part of Norma Basalis. So in my next video I will discuss the middle part. Thank you very much.